Welcome everyone back to my channel. It's Eric here. Today I have a shoe review, the 270 Airmax Flyknits, and we're doing two colorways today. It's going to be the asphalt gray as well as the red one. So I just got the box in. There was a sale going on footlocker with an additional promo code, so I snagged these for about like 90 bucks a pop. I've always been wanting to try them. They've been kind of on a hype lately. I've seen the regular ones, but the Flyknit catches my attention a little bit more just because you can perform more activity, like it's a lot airier. Oh, check this out, man. This stuff I don't need. We'll go with some snacks. Ooh, an extra $25 off. All right, first we have the boxes. Ooh, so this is the Airmax, the chili red right here. And then here we have the asphalt gray ones here. All right, guys, so let's check them out, the two colorways. Red first, because it's the one I originally wanted. Oh, so check this out. Wow, chili red, wow. Nice, nice. Okay, now we're gonna check out the asphalt gray ones. These are a size 10, by the way, and they do fit true to size. Ooh, wow. Asphalt gray. Wow. All right, guys. So the first thing you're probably gonna notice that's different from the other 270s, the regular ones. These ones, the first you're gonna notice is the Flyknit material going all the way around both the shoes, which is good for breathability. These laces here, the fly wire, it holds your foot down as well, so you can maintain more activity. Your foot won't get loose, all that. The part that I really like about these ones that adds a premium touch is gonna be the leather outside. It looks like it's suede, and also the leather up at the front, and that's gonna be on both. And as you can see, the air bubble for comfort. So these are supposed to be really light, meant for a lot of physical activities. What I kind of like about these two is that it's like a sock-like fit, so you can just slide your foot in, much like the Adidas Ultra Boost and Caged. Yes, I kind of like this colorway. This is a little pinker than I thought. This one's cool. Awesome, you guys. So there you have it. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. Peace.